All right, welcome to email number 1, where I tell you how easy it is to use Skool platform to teach and to train your people. The most important thing when I started using Skool for me was I was in a different group where I really wanted to be part of the live Zoom calls. So right here, every day, you can check in on this calendar and you can simply add a Zoom link or whatever different thing you might use, or it can even be an in-person address. And you can upload a cover image and remind members by email every day before the event happens, and then set the time. You can set it to recurring and all that stuff. So for mine, you can see that every Tuesday and Friday, I have a 2-hour-long Zoom session at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So I really enjoy doing those, and I find it super helpful to my students. So yeah, it's super easy to add this. And this is one of the things that keeps people coming back. So if you're let's say you coach people in their mindset, this is a really great way to have a low ticket offer for $97 a month, and you get them to join in and experience what it's actually like to work with you, and they stick around longer. And this is just an amazing thing. I love the Skool platform for this reason. So I hope you make your own, and I'm going to give you a link that gives you 14-day free trial. So enjoy.